In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OpenAI to Emergent AI. We're going to walk through the full setup process together so you can link your OpenAI account to Emergent AI and start using OpenAI as your preferred language model provider. This is a straightforward process, but there are a couple of places where it's important to slow down, especially when handling your API key. To begin, head over to the OpenAI platform and either log into your existing account or create a new one if you haven't signed up yet. Once you're inside the platform, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. From there, look for the API keys section. This is where OpenAI lets you generate and manage the keys that allow other platforms like Emergent AI to securely connect to your account. After you open the API keys page, click the option to create a new secret key. When prompted, give the key a clear name so you can easily recognize what it's being used for later. For example, naming it after the platform you're connecting can help keep things organized if you create more keys in the future. Once the key is generated, copy it and store it somewhere safe right away. This matters because secret keys are sensitive and typically won't be fully shown again after creation, so make sure you save it before moving on. Next, open your Emergent dashboard and log into your account. Once you're in, go to Account Settings. Inside the Settings area, click on Universal Key. This section is where you can configure the model provider that Emergent AI will use. Now look for the LLM provider settings. In that area, select OpenAI as your preferred model. This tells Emergent AI which service it should connect to for language model access. After selecting OpenAI, you should see a field where you can enter your API key. Paste your OpenAI API key into the designated field, then click Verify or Save depending on what appears in your dashboard. The verification step helps confirm that the connection is working properly and that the key was entered correctly. If everything is valid, your OpenAI account should now be connected to Emergent AI. As a final tip, if the key doesn't verify on the first try, carefully check for extra spaces before or after the pasted key. That's a very common issue and easy to fix. Once saved successfully, your OpenAI integration should be ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully connected OpenAI to Emergent AI.